In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode for the Salesforce Lightning experience. If you find yourself straining your eyes during those long hours of using Salesforce, or simply prefer the sleek look of dark mode, this guide is for you. We're going to walk through the steps on how to transform your Salesforce interface into a more eye-friendly version using a browser extension. First things first, you'll need to open up your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you'll find thousands of extensions that can enhance your browsing experience. For our task today, you'll want to search for either Salesforce Dark Theme or Dark Reader. Both of these options are popular tools that are highly effective for turning the white backgrounds of web pages into a more soothing dark mode. Once you've identified the extension you'd like to use, go ahead and add it to your Chrome browser. This process is straightforward. Just click on the Add to Chrome button, typically located on the right side of the extensions page. It will prompt a confirmation to add the extension, which you'll need to agree to. This will install the extension into your browser and ready it for use. After the installation is complete, navigate to your Salesforce homepage. This is the page where you usually start your journey into Salesforce Lightning. You might already be familiar with its bright and vibrant appearance, but now we're about to change it up a bit. Next, you'll direct your attention to the Chrome toolbar, usually located at the top right of your browser window, where all your installed extensions are lined up as icons. You should see the icon for the dark mode extension you just installed. Click on this icon and you'll see various settings or options that the extension provides. To enable dark mode, simply find the toggle switch or button that says dark mode and turn it on. This action will immediately change the appearance of your Salesforce page to the dark mode theme. If for some reason the dark mode doesn't appear instantaneously, don't worry, this is a common occurrence and usually has a simple fix. Just try refreshing the page. You can do this by clicking on the refresh button next to your browser's address bar, or by pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. And there you have it. Your Salesforce Lightning experience should now be easier on the eyes, and you can comfortably navigate your tasks in this new theme. Enabling dark mode is a quick and straightforward process, but it can make a significant difference in your daily workflow. Enjoy your new dark theme, and as always, if you have any issues, consider reaching out for support or checking online resources specific to the extension you've chosen. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.